Hello, magandang araw. This is Neo and welcome to another motorcycle feature. Right in front of you are two motorcycles from Lambretta. This is the X300 and this is the X200. And for today's video, let's have a quick walk around with these motorcycles. So, let's go. So, ilo-launch to very soon. Expected date is January to April 2025. Okay, so both models parehong may key fob na, hindi mo na kailangan ng susi. Pero, once you purchase this, meron siyang feature. So, sakaling, wag naman sana, ma-deadbat yung battery mo, hindi mo mabuksan tong compartment, meron ditong feature ginawa si Lambretta para ma-access mo pa rin. So, pwede mong susian yan, and that comes with the box na isasama when you purchase a Lambretta kit. Buksan lang natin. So, it's a combination of analog and digital. Pero sobrang daming information na nilagay ni Lambretta dito. So, meron kang trip or odo, meron kang battery voltage, speed, ito yung temperature ng makina mo. By the way, this is liquid cooled para yung model. And then meron kang fuel gauge, and then sa taas meron kang RPM. Okay, pagdating sa compartment, it doesn't fit a full face helmet, but it has sufficient space. Hindi siya usual na iniikot lang. Kailangan mong iangat to, and then ikot. Ayan. This is the cap for your liquid coolant, and then meron ka ring Type-C charging port. So one of the main features ng Lambretta is yung kanyang twin link suspension. So yung taillight niya, meron siyang hidden na logo ng Lambretta sa loob. Also meron din sa kanyang tailpipe. Ang ganda ng pagkakadesign by the way. And then sa kanyang body, meron din siyang badging. Meron siyang nicely stitched na logo. So by the way, yung seat niya is a combination of suede and leather. Going here naman, meron siyang logo ng X. Also, meron siyang hazard, meron siyang modes. Ang pinapalitan lang nito is yung kanyang trip meter tsaka yung odo. Starter, meron kang passing light, which is nice kasi kahit pindutin mo na lang, pwede ka na mag-passing light. And then high beam, and then turn signals, and horn. Yung kanyang grips, napakaganda. May branding pa rin dito, tsaka dito. And very unique yung kanyang design. Tapos meron din siyang parang outline. The way that the turn signal is designed is like it's complementing the overall design ng motorcycle. Kasi meron din siyang outline throughout the body. This is a dual purpose design. So ito ay horn cast at saka at the same time air intake. Yan. So yung radiator niya actually nandito sa loob. Okay, so the prices for the X200 is 296,000 Philippine pesos, and for the X3 naman, this is 380,000 Philippine pesos. And if you want details, you can contact this number for more details. Okay, that's Neo for today's episode. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.